So, welcome back, all of you. How are you? Hopefully, you all are fine and doing good. So, dear students, today we will do the back exercise of chapter 7. Okay, we have done reading, question answer, word meanings, and the difficult words. So, today we are going to do the back exercise. So, everybody, open this page in your book, write down date and the grade task here. Okay, so what is the date today? It's 11th October 2021. The day is Monday and great task. Okay, so we are doing back exercise. Everybody write a date on the top. Then we are going to start with the back exercise. Okay, so what is the first question here? See, what is first question? Read the sentences and write frogs or boys on the blanks. You can see here some sentences are given to you. Okay, what you have to do, you have to read the sentence and you have to tell this line is spoken by the frogs or the boys. Okay, so first line, it is already done. They saw the frogs. Who saw the frogs? So we have to see, so they is used for whom. Okay, so we are doing first part number 1. So it is given they. They is used for frogs or the boys. They saw the frogs. So here we have to tell they is used for the boys or they is used for the frogs. So what is the answer here? They saw the frogs. Who saw the frogs? In the chapter, children were there, frogs were there. Children means boys were there. The boys threw the stones at the frogs. So they saw the frogs means the boys saw the frogs. So what will be the answer here? The answer will be the boys. So it is given already. So you will write here B-O-Y-S, boys. Okay. Next sentence number 2. This is first number, second number. Next number is number 2. We get hurt. We get hurt just like you. We get hurt just like you. Who said this line? Frogs. When boys were throwing stones at them, then one of the old boy came out from the pond and said, we get hurt. So what is we here? We, they have used for the frogs. Yes, we is the plural pronoun. So it is used for the frogs. Okay, number 3. Third number, we keep you safe from flies, mosquitoes and other insects. We keep you safe from flies. Who said this? Frogs. Old frog was telling to those boys, please don't throw stone at us. We are also getting hurt like you. We say keep you safe from the flies, from the insects and from the mosquitoes. So what is in 3 number we refer to? We refer to the frogs again. Okay. So in the third number again, we is used for the frogs. So we will write answer here, frogs. Okay, next number 4. Here we will write small f. No need to write capital. We will write it small. Okay. Next number 4. Fourth line is, we did not want to hurt anyone. We did not want to hurt anyone. Who said this line? So we can see here, the boys looked at each other. They were surprised to hear a frog speak. They said, we are sorry, Mr. Frog. We did not want to hurt anyone. So who said this line? Boys. Yes. So here in the fourth number, we refers to boys. B-O-Y-S. Boys. Yes. Number 5th. We promise we will never hurt anyone again. They said, we promise you that we will not hurt anyone again. So again, here we is referred to boys. So boys said, we will promise you we will not hurt anyone again. So we promise you we will not hurt anyone again. So again in fifth number we refer to BOYS, boys. Okay. So let us move to the next question. So the next question is, tick the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Okay. So here you can see, tick the correct answer. First is given, then two options are given to you. We have to see which is the correct answer. Okay, let us read. First, there was a pond in the dash. Option A option is forest and the B option is village. There was a pond in the. So where was the pond? It was in the forest or it was in the village. So where we will tick? We will tick it was in the village. So this is the correct answer. Next, number 2. Let us read number 2. The boys threw dash at the frog. The boys threw dash. What the boys threw at the frogs? Stones, bread. No, bread is wrong. Stones is the correct answer. Number 3. The boys were surprised to hear the frog dash. Why they were surprised? When they hear what? When they hear a frog can speak. So this is the correct answer. Number 4. The boys said that they did not want to dash anyone. What the boys said at the last? They said sorry and they said they will not hurt anyone. So they said they did not want to dash anyone. Hurt, pinch. No. So the correct answer is hurt. Okay. Let us move to the next question. True and false. So question number 2 is, question number C is, write T or F. So T we are using for true and F we are using for the false. First, the boys had fun watching the frogs jump out of the water. So this is true. The boys were having fun when they were throwing stones at the frogs and they were having fun. So this is the correct answer. So first answer is true. Write T in the first. The first is true. Yes, it is correct. They were having fun when they were throwing stones and frogs were jumping in and out of the pond. Second, a fish came out of the water. A fish came out of the water and sat on a large rock. A fish came out from the water? No. No fish was there in the chapter. So this is false. So second number is false. Number 3, frogs keep us safe from flies and other insects. Frogs keep us safe? Yes. Because when the old man came out from and he sat on the frog rock and he said to the boys that we keep you safe from the mosquitoes, insects and the flies. So this is correct. They keep us safe from the mosquitoes, flies and insects. So this is true. Number 4. The boys promised to never hurt anyone again. Yes, they promised it that they will not hurt anyone again. So this is again true. So we will write here T. Okay, let us move to the next question. So the next question is this puzzle. This is puzzle given to you. So in this puzzle you can find the names of the animals. So this you will do yourself. Let us move to the next question, this one. In this question you have to choose the correct word according to the sentence. Filling the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. So 2 words are given to you in the bracket. You have to read the sentence, then you have to see which words meaning will be according to the sentence which is given you here. Okay. So the first sentence is, I can see dash on the plant. So I can see dash on the plant. So which is the correct answer? It is already given to you. I can see flies. So we can see flies on the plant. So here the answer will be flies. So you have to write in the blank as well. Next is number 2. The boys could dash, the frogs speak. So 2 words are given to you. Hear, hear. So the boys could hear frog speak, not hear. So what is the correct answer here? They can hear that the frog can speak. Number 3. My sister is dash years old. So here age we have to tell. My sister is dash years old. I am 10 years old. I am 5 years old. So my sister is 8. This is the correct spelling or this is the correct spelling? This is 8 years old. It can be, this is 8 means we ate our food. Ate our food. That is wrong. So we have to tell the age here. 8. Number 4. Dash see with my eyes. Dash see with my eyes. I see with my eyes or I see with my eyes? No, I see with my eyes. Correct answer I. This is I. Next is number 5. A dash is a fruit. So what is a fruit here? P-A-I-R or P-E-A-R? Pear. So pear is the fruit name. So this is wrong. This is the wrong spelling of pear. Next number 6. We have our lunch break for 1 dash hour or hour. We have our lunch break. So we are talking about the lunch break here. So this is a timing. We have to tell the time. For how much time we have our lunch break. So this does not refers to time. This is wrong. This refers to the time. So here we will talk about hour. We have our break at for 1 hour, for half an hour. Okay. So this is the correct spelling. Hour. This is wrong. So you have to tick on this. Okay. Next is matches. You have to match the column, and after matching these columns, which will be the correct answer, like a family of frogs lived in a pond. So that you will write in these lines which are given here. Got it? So match. You will match. Firstly, you will match, and with which line you have to match. You have to make. You made the correct answer. You will make the correct answer. You will mention here. I'll tell you. A family of frogs lived in a pond. So 1 is already done. Let us do the number 2. People often came. So with which we will match? People often came. Saw the frogs. Stones at the frogs. Lived in a pond. Got hurt and sat by the pond. So people often came and sat by the pond. So let us match it first. Then you will write the sentences. Okay. So this is our next question. Question 4. Match the column to make the sentences. Okay, to make the correct meaning. Match the column to complete sentences. Write the sentences below. Lines are given you. You have to write these sentences. Like first, a family of frogs. A family of frogs saw the frogs. Stones at the frog. Lived in a pond. So we will match first number with the C. Then after matching it, you will write here a family of frogs lived in a pond. So this way you will write down all the lines. Okay. Next, number 2. People often came and, so 2 number you will match with E. People often came and sat by the pond. Number 3. Some boys saw the frogs. So some boy saw the frogs. A. They threw stones at the frogs. Some frogs got hurt. So these are the matches related to our chapters. After matching it, you will write these sentences here. Like 2 number was people often came and sat by the pond. So same way you will write in your book. People often came and sat by the pond. So this way you will write all 5 sentences in your book. Okay. So next question is write the first letter of the name of these animals. Then write the letters together to get the name of a water animal. So you have to write the name of the water animal. You will see which word we can make. One is given snake. So first letter you will write, like snake is given to you. So snakes, the first letter is S. Like horse, first letter is H. And first letter is A. So this way you will do it. Okay. So this word I am writing only answer here. You will do yourself. First was snake, as. Second was horse, H, ant, A, then rabbit, R, and then kangaroo, it's K. So what is the word we have made here? This is shark. So this is the water animal. Yes. This way you will write the name at the last. SHARK. I have done it. You also do it in your English book. So this is our back exercise. Complete in your book. All. Now our chapter is done. Learn it. Then next week we will start with our test. Okay. So take care. Bye bye.